Eric again here, Blue Nail Roofing. We're on the Laquinta on June the 5th. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm sorry. And I just wanted to give you an example of what I've done. So I've probed just this wall right here, and I want to show you what I found, all these red circles. So if I take this probe and I run it in just like so, I'm just making sure there's no cold. Well, you can see the probe goes in right there. That's a cold weld. It'll get worse and worse. I probe down the wall here. Right there, the thing goes all the way in, cold weld. I probe down further. Again, cold weld. I go down further here. Again, cold weld. And this is just me doing this one wall. You can see a spot here on the edge where the membrane is separated. Cold weld. This is a huge cold weld. I mean, you can pull the thing apart right here. That's just gonna get worse and come apart. This weld is supposed to be stronger than the material itself, and that's just having the proper temperature on the gun. So whoever did this did not check this roof, did not do the temperature on their gun. But I even checked this seam right here on the wall. You can see I'm gonna go down, and I go, boom. There's another one right there. Another one there, I didn't even mark that one. This one, this one. And so that's why I say it would be practical to just probe this entire roof, find all the problems and fix them. Otherwise, this is gonna be something that you guys are gonna be dealing with over, look at that one. That's right there on the bottom of the roof. Water just stands in this area. So I definitely recommend what I said is what we should do to make sure we get this thing done right, and that way you don't have a problem.